Hello, I'm with Seed System Solution, and in this video today, I will walk you through the process of creating a deposit. To create a deposit, you're going to open your Add menu. If you don't see the options that I referenced today, you can contact your Seed System Solution admin user at your organization for assistance. So from your Add menu, you're going to select Deposit. When you open your deposit, you're going to see a list of all payments that you have not yet deposited in your system. You're going to select your deposit date, which is going to default to today's date. Select the bank that you're depositing this into. And then in your filter icon, you're going to select which payment that you wanted to deposit today. You can resort your list by using your column headers to change the sort order. Once your payment is in the top, then it is going to be set to your deposit. You can, in your Hamburger menu, you can select a new deposit. You can select your types of deposit. So what payment types will show up in your deposit portal here. You can select all items or deselect all items to add all items or take all items away from your deposit. You can delete this deposit, as well as we do have the option to create a new payment from here for either a customer or a vendor. And then we can print our deposit list and print out a list of all the transactions that are on this deposit today. Once you've finished with that deposit, you can leave it by pressing the icon. You get a message that this might be posting. And then once that has closed, that deposit has been saved. If you have any further questions about Seed System Solution, you can reference our other training videos on our YouTube channel. You can email us at grow@seedsystem.co, or you can register for our free monthly Zoom meetings and attend those. Thank you.